You are asked to find the dot product of vector A and vector B. Watch. It is important to understand some key properties of the dot product. Property number 1 is that I times I is equals to J times J is equals to K times K is equals to 1. The second property is that I times J is equals to J times K is equals to K times I and is equals to 0. And the third property is the reverse of the second property, which states that I times K is equals to K times J is equals to J times I, as it also equals to 0. This property plays a key role in the multiplication of the dot product. So if you're given the vector A is equals to AXI plus AYJ plus AZK and a vector B equals to BXI plus BYJ plus BZK, then A dot B. So applying those key properties, you will notice that where we have I times I is substituted with 1, I times J with 0, I times K is 0, J times I is 0, J times J is 1, J times K is 0, K times I is 0, K times J is 0, and K times K is 1. That is why we end up with the formula A dot B is given by AX BX plus AY BY plus AZ BZ, and that A dot B is given by AX dot BX plus AY dot BY plus AZ dot BZ. For our case is equals to 6 dot 13 plus 12 dot negative 14 plus negative 1 dot 7, which will give us 78 minus 168 minus 7, and this will give us negative 97. This is the answer, but we are not done yet. Let us look at the second part, the geometric meaning. The geometric meaning of the dot product is that A dot B vector A dot vector B is equals to the magnitude of vector A times the magnitude of vector B cos theta. And this can help us find the angle between these two vectors. For instance, the cos theta will be given by the vector A dot vector B over the magnitude of vector A times the magnitude of vector B. And for our case, the magnitude of vector A is the square root of 6 square plus 12 square plus negative 1 square. which is the square root of 181. The magnitude of vector B is given by the square root of 13 square plus negative 14 square plus 7 square, which is the square root of 414. So cos theta will be A dot B over the magnitude of A dot the magnitude of B, and A dot B is negative 97 over root 181 dot root 414. So cos theta will be 0.3543, which means theta is the cos inverse of 0.3543, which is 110.75 degrees, and that is the answer. Like, subscribe, and comment. Tiger is the beast.